Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
We've got an impressive system wreaking havoc across parts of the United States, and by tomorrow morning, we're going to be under the gun as well. Let's take a peek at Storm Track Live, where you see that low pressure system moving its way across the Midwest, and we're getting in on the wintry side of things, or at least parts of West Michigan are. Look at what's happening to the south. A whole mess of severe weather. Storms racing off to the northeast. Numerous tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings. Tornado likely passed through Norman, which is home to the University of Oklahoma. The south side of campus may have gotten hit by that tornado. So it is a night of chaos down there in Oklahoma City and off to our south. But as we mentioned, here at home, we're tracking the possibility of some wintry weather during the day tomorrow. Winter weather advisory for Allegan, Berry, Eden, and Ingham counties to the north. Looks simple, but we actually have a wide range of issuance times and expiration times. Note that it only goes until noon for Allegan, Berry, Eden, and Ingham. It goes to 3 p.m. along the I-96 corridor, and then off to the north, it goes into the evening. And that's because we expect that freezing line to gradually move northward as we head through the afternoon, turning a wintry mix into plain old rain for areas near and south of I-96. Futurecast shows the possibility of this precipitation moving in towards the beginning of the morning commute, and that could be falling as a wintry mix. Some freezing rain. I think this would be a combination of some freezing rain and sleet through the afternoon. Steadiest through about mid-afternoon before gradually tapering off into the evening. There's the possibility Grand Rapids, or at least the north side of Grand Rapids, may remain in a wintry mix throughout much of the day. Weather model data not quite in consensus yet. We told you about it during the last storm. These kind of storms are very difficult to forecast, and very small differences make a huge difference in the overall grand scheme of things. So for now, we're calling it a wintry mix for the I-96 corridor, eventually transitioning to rain. Off of the south, it'll start off as a little bit of freezing rain before very quickly transitioning over to rain. Further to the south, it's going to be basically all rain. To the north is where we may stay in that wintry mix right on into the evening. For just about everyone, though, we're expecting a lot of precipitation with this, anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to an inch. Again, off to the south is going to be in the form of rain. Off to the north, we're talking a messy mix of some sleet, some freezing rain, and eventually transitioning over to just plain rain. Wind is the other component to this. We could see some gusts closing in on 30 to 40 miles per hour. So if we do get a glaze of ice on the trees, we'll have to watch for the possibility of some power outages, not expected to be as significant as what we experienced off of the south on Wednesday. Winds calm for now. It's going to be picking up into the day tomorrow. Your 8-day forecast shows temperatures anywhere from the low 30s to the north to the low 40s to the south. We have the chance of some more light rain and snow on Wednesday, the possibility of a stronger system on Friday that we'll be watching closely. Amanda?